Hello, I am Pietro Fontolan, and today I'll be presenting my final project, Personalized Recommendations. The project consists in building a recommendation system. But what is a recommendation system? Suppose there is a website where users can post ratings about items they bought. It could be very interesting to use rating data to predict the new items users could like in order to recommend those items to the users. The goal of the project is to build an effective recommendation system based on some past ratings data. The technology I used is Spark because it can scale to handle a huge amount of data. The machine learning library of Spark provides the alternating least squares algorithm, which is a technique to build recommendation systems based on collaborative filtering. The hardware I used is my personal computer with one CPU with 16 gigabytes of RAM and one GPU with 10 gigabytes of RAM. The dataset I chose is called the Book Crossing Dataset, and it is freely available on the internet. It consists of more than 1 million ratings about books. When I analyzed the dataset, however, I discovered that many books received very few ratings, and the vast majority of the users rated only a few books. Data is very sparse, and this can be a problem to find good recommendations. Some data cleaning was necessary. Data were split into a training set and a test set. The model was cross-evaluated over a grid of parameters to get the best model. The model bases its recommendations on its predictions of the ratings of the users. The best model had a root mean squared error of 2.5, while ratings are in the range from 1 to 10. We therefore had a fair result, but not a very good result. And probably this is a consequence of the sparsity of the dataset. However, the model can be used to make recommendations. In the example, the user liked the Pride and Prejudice, and among the recommendations we have Sense and Sensibility, a novel in the same style by the same author, and that doesn't make sense.